Type of shit to make the hood go crazy.
Alright guys, got another video. This one's a prank. It seems to be a funny prank, I guess. It's called Cat Falls Out of Window. So I guess that's gonna freak somebody out. But yeah, it's from a PrankvsPrank. So I'm guessing it's a couple or two friends that just prank each other all the time. That's what the name suggests anyway. But yeah, let's hop in and see what's cracking.
Gina, before this video starts, I just want to first apologize for doing the meanest prank to you that I probably will ever do ever.
Already apologizing.
I need to get some major payback on Gina for what she did to me last. And if you guys watch her vlogs, and if you don't, let me tell you that my girlfriend Gina loves her cats more than anything. I mean, she loves them like they are her babies. And also, if you guys watch our vlogs, or if you don't, our cat Nyla climbed out onto our window ledge and freaked Gina out. Because if Nyla was to fall, that would have been it for Nyla. That freaked her out so much that I'm not even allowed to open the windows anymore in our house. So with that being said, to prank Gina today, I need to make her believe that Nyla has climbed out on the windowsill.
You live in a big apartment.
Fell.
I thought it was a house.
Don't worry, I'm not actually gonna put Nyla out on the window. Gina is out in New Jersey with her friends. That gave me plenty of time to run around the city and have this made. This is little cardboard Nyla. Hi Nyla. Oh Nyla, oh Nyla. What I plan on doing is putting this cardboard Nyla out on the windowsill. So when Gina walks in the door, she's gonna see Nyla outside the window. Gina, I know this is the meanest prank I ever pulled on you, but all I have to say is payback is a bitch. Hopefully this works. Oh my God. Shh. Shh. Oh my God. No, 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 I can't believe you guys did that.
Oh my God, Jesse, no! Oh my God, no, no, no!
What are we gonna do? You can't go out there.
That's funny, man.
She fucking fell. She fell. She fell. Wait, come here. Come here. Come here. Come here. I think I... Wait, come here. Wait. Babe, come here. Come here. Wait. 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 I found her. I think I found her.
Sorry. Where is she?
I'm about to cry. I'm about to cry.
Where is she?
I'm sorry.
No.
I'm sorry.
Oh my God. Oh my God.
I'm sorry. I'm sorry. I'm sorry.
Oh, that's fucking too funny.
You're so mean. It looks so real.
I'm so sorry. But that had to be done.
That's funny.
I give you credit.
That's right, you give me credit.
What made you think of that? Like,
Dude,
do this.
I-
Like a life-size real
I was
Nyla.
thinking of all
That
kinds
looks
of...
so real.
That's great. I love it. Oh, fantastic. I hope you enjoyed. Links in the description for the channel, as always. So yeah, if you like what you've just seen from them, I'd head over and sub. I've already subbed. I love them. They're great. Yeah, thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one. Bye bye.